would be kind of interesting. It's about tornado sirens, and it specializes in my county that I live in, also known as Camden County. Drop something. Anyways, I wanted to rate what I think my county would pick. I'd also like to mention today I was in the park, which is across the street, which is across the railroad of the firehouse, and I kept thinking it's gonna go off today. Well, like 20 minutes later, I get back to the house, and it was at my father's house, by the way, because the closest siren to me where I live is a Model 2, like a mile away. And they did go off. So I didn't record it. I was going to, but it was too late to grab my phone, because I was also doubting it that would actually happen, because I just thought it was too late. So if it goes off, I'm just going to consider it lucky. And I will pause what I'm saying. So let's get on with it. Oh wait, one thing. Because of allergies and sometimes in general, I am sniffly, so you will hear a lot of. So, anyways, number 5. I'm not gonna start off like that. I don't mean that. This is just supposed to be a very raw video. So I think one of the options, I made a 6th one of all 5 of the options. So the first option is American Signal T128s or T121s. Now, Oyster Creek and 3 Mile Island, they had the T128s in Hope Creek all the way down in Salem. They're actually active, and they have T121s. So I think there's a possibility that there actually might be some of them around here. So I don't know. My second option is all types of the 2001 series, including the Equinox. Though it would either, in my opinion, I think it would either be the Equinoxes or the other 12-port sirens. Though I don't think it would be the DCs, because I don't think those are made anymore. I could be wrong, but they don't have any no logo or small logo DCs anymore. It might be the regular, but I don't think it's labeled DC anymore, just from what I think. So, number 3. The Federal Signal Modulators. Now, there's a ton along the coast, and a few kind of just, because since I'm in New Jersey, I'm on the East Coast. I'm an hour from the shore, but down the shore there is a ton, and I've had slideshows of them. There's mainly 3012s. There's a few 2008s. In Atlantic City, there are 3 4016s that were installed. Well, 4. The 4th one actually replaced a 2008, but I didn't get photos of those because it was Street View was last updated in 2017, like around there. And these sirens were, well, the ones that didn't replace anything were installed in 2001. Well, no, the one that replaced the 2008 replaced it in 2021. If someone knows what happened to that 2008, let me know, please. So, option 2 is, I forgot these last two options. Oh, I remember. These last two are based off the 12 port. Yep, I gave it away. The 12 port sirens around here. So one of them is the STH-10. I can actually see them going up around here. And there's quite a few. And the number one is the Model 7. Now, there would be 7As and 7Bs, but they would be 12 port because the 912 is definitely not for this area. And the 8 port, I'd see that more in Pennsylvania. And the 6th one, like I said, is all of them mixed together. I don't know. I don't know if that would happen. That's like the last thing I'd ever say. But if it existed for a while, I'm actually just putting this off mine now because I actually didn't think of this earlier. It could be like what the power plants work, like ACA cyclones, P15s. So that could be one of them. Another one could be Thunderbolts, because I think there's 7 around the state of New Jersey. There's one near the Model 2, found out from the 2.0 New Jersey statewide siren map, made by NJ Transit. I forget the rest of his YouTube channel. He made that, and he showed there was a ton of sirens. There's a ton of inactive T128s. I'd also like to mention a family member of mine actually who is down in Tom's River told me that they actually test once a year. It's in the fall, and every year my family does a seaside thing in Seaside Park. So I actually wanted to take a trip to the Seaside Park cyclone. So so I did, and I made that video. It was pretty fun. Going on 8 minutes. I was hoping it would be more like 4. So this will be a long video to upload. Well, editing won't be bad. We'll use my new intro. Like I said, this is gonna be raw. So, anyways. So Thunderbolts. I think the last one would be, don't know, maybe possibly like of the 500, 550s. Actually, I doubt seeing that. The last one could be, don't know if it would be P50s because those are like 8 miles away. It's loud. I think there's no purpose of doing that unless it's like in the plains of New Jersey. I'm just saying I'm just saying Camden County. I'm not thinking of any others because I'm just thinking of the one I live in. If there was P50s just spaced out over this entire state, then that would be different. I think the last option, don't know, maybe just 2 different options. Just my guess. Oh, you know what? The last one would be like alerters or something. Different types. Alright. Out. Wait, no. But before I close out, I'd want to mention that Damn, I'm really losing memory. Like, I mean, my train of thought. Alright, hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.